Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to search mail in Gmail. So let's started. At first, open your Chrome browser and going to the Gmail option. Now going to the Gmail. Now click for Gmail. Like you can see, now we can open the new interface. Like you can see, now going to the click from search bar option. Now click from search mail. Mail name. That it. Now you can say this mail in all the mail in inbox and send box. Now close, then others mail in the search. Now click. That it. Now you can say search mail in Gmail is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.